Ulitin ko, ginamit ni Martin Romualdez ang FLR at ang pangalan ng Pangulong Marcos upang itulak ang kanilang unconstitutional na impeachment complaint. Sabi nila, pumirma kayo dahil kung hindi lalabas ang pondo nyo na naka-FLR bago mag-eleksyon. Subalit, Ginoong Pangulo, hindi ito umubra. Hindi ito umubra dahil tinanggihan ito ni PBBM. Sinabi niyang walang ganyang uri ng usapan. At sinabi niyang hindi niya gagawin yon. Kaya't hanggang ngayon, nananatili pa rin for late release ang mga questionableng pondo nila. And that is why, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, at the height of the impeachment controversy and amidst the passion of some sectors to remove the Vice President at all costs, I urged prudence and level-headedness because I knew that greed and not accountability was the reason behind it. In the